Fall out. Definition: to have an agreement or disagreement that end a relationship. Example: the two friends have fallen out after a heated argument. Fall over. Definition: if someone falls over, they fall to the ground. Example: the baby fell over when he tried to take his first step. Fall through. Definition: to fail to happen. Example: their vacation plan will be fallen through because of the bad weather. Fall to. Definition: to be or become the duty or job of someone. Example: the task of cleaning the classroom fell to the new student. Feed into something. Definition: to add to something that making it bigger, more successful and more extreme. Example: your feedback will feed into the decisions making process. Feed of something. Definition: to increase because of something. Example: gossip tend to feed off people's insecurities. Feed someone something up. Definition: to make a person or animal healthier or fatter by giving them a lot of food. Example: they try to feed up the dog after it had been rescued. Feel for someone. Definition: to experience sympathy and sadness for someone because they are suffering. Example: I really feel for you after hearing about your loss. Feel someone something out. Definition. To try to get information from someone or from a situation without asking direct questions. Example. He felt out his colleagues to see if they supported his idea. Fetch up. Definition. To arrive somewhere, especially without intending to. Example. They have fetch up at the roadside in after wandering all night. Fill in. Definition. To write the necessary information on an official document. Example. Please fill in this form before the interview. Fill out. Definition. To write or type information in the spaces that are provided for it. Example. She may fill out her details on the registration page. Fill something up. Definition. To make something completely full. Example. Let's fill in the tank up before we leave. Find something out. Definition. To get information about something. Example. I would rather you found out the truth about his past. Finish something off. Definition. To complete the last part of something that you are doing. Example. He finished off his essay late at night. Finish out. Definition. To eat or drink all of what you are eating or drinking. Example. They finish up in a small cafe after the concert. Finish with something. Definition. To complete something by doing, eating, saying singing something. Example, once you finish with that book, can I borrow it? Pick something up. Definition. To repair or change something in order to improve it. Example, they fix up the old car and sold it. Flash something around. Definition. To show something to a lot of people. Example, stopping flashing your cash around, it attracts thieves. Flashback. Definition. Suddenly remember that happened in the past. Example, the scene in the movie made me flash back to my childhood. Flatten out. Definition. To stop rising or falling and stay at the same level. Example, the economic growth rate is starting to flatten out. Fling yourself into something. Definition. To do something with a lot of enthusiasm. Example, she flung herself into the new project with enthusiasm. Fling something on. Definition. To quickly remove something. Example, she flung her coat on the chair and sat down. Fling someone out. Definition. To get rid of something you do not want. Example, they flung old furniture out during the move. Float around. Definition. A story is discussed or repeated by a lot of people. Example, there's an old story floating around about the haunted house. In next tutorial, I will bring you English phrasal verbs with meaning lessons. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icons to get latest video notification and share my video among your friends. See you in future video.